Welcome back. It's amazing what a fresh coat of paint can do to a room.
But these days, one coat of flat paint just won't cut it.
No, it won't. With a flair for faux, we wanted to introduce you to a talented team with the Magic Brush.
On the walls, people are still wanting texture. They'd like things to look Tuscan is kind of the key word that we hear a lot, old world.
Jennifer Allwood transforms walls, cabinets, even garage doors with her company, The Magic Brush. She says faux finishes help you get the most bang for your buck, especially in your kitchen. You can spice up the room without having to replace cabinets, just refinish them.
The stove hood looked identical to the rest of the cabinets in the room. It was a beautiful stain, but it just didn't really stand out. So we basically sanded it, prepped it, painted it black, and then sanded the edges back so that you would see the original stain color. And that just really helps to set it apart from the rest of the room and make all the details on it pop.
Her team of faux finishers take flat, boring walls and add a personalized style like this bathroom.
We rolled a layer of texture over top of the walls to give it some depth, to give it some interest. So we rolled a couple of layers of that, then we put a stencil on. We love stencils. And we filled the stencil in with a product called Aqua Wax, which is made by Faux Effects. And it's almost like a candle wax of sorts. It resists taking color. So then your walls had a white texture, a nice candle wax on them, and then we stained them. And so whenever the stain hits your stencil, it won't take the color like the rest of the texture does, and that's what ends up giving you that great effect.
Getting that shabby chic, classy, or traditional look takes lots of time, talent, and the right tools.
Give it some depth, give it some texture. Usually it always adds warmth to walls and ends up making things feel just homier and better.
Now you can find Jennifer's website and blog at themagicbrushinc.com. Now, Michael, I admit, I have tried to faux finish. My son colored on some walls. I couldn't match the actual paint color. So I was like, oh, I'll just faux it with a sponge. And it just doesn't look quite as good as the professionals. I mean, it looks like my son helped me to faux finish my, spots. How about you? Have you done it?
I have sponge painted, but that was amazing. I now see there's new life in my cabinets. I am calling her, and well, she's here, so I'm excited.
She's here.
I'm gonna get with her. I wonder if I can get the Good Neighbor discount. Let's keep our fingers crossed.